Richie Ruckus beat.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Saturday, April 18th. I'm coming back with a brand new sneaker pickup. I'm going to hit you with that unboxing, that review, and we're going to get into an on foot. And this is a pair of sneakers that released earlier this week, but due to the COVID-19 pandemic, I was not able to get them until today. I had to get them online. I won them via a raffle from the good folks over at Lapstone and Hammer, and it wasn't just a traditional sneaker raffle and some charitable work that they're doing over there at Lapstone Hammer. Brian and the whole team over there have this whole thing going on. I will leave a link down in the description if you guys want to go take a look. It is pretty much you can leave a comment with your size and your social media handle, and you can also donate. And donating is not required to enter the activations, as they are calling them, but everybody is suffering right now. So, if you can give a little, I suggest going and donating. I myself have donated. I donated for the linen Yeezy 350 V2, which I did not win, but I did win the pair that we're getting into today. Before we jump into this, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and follow your boy on all social. Now that I'm done rambling, you know the drill. You know why you're here. Let's get a glimpse of these warlocks. We have the Yeezy 700 V3 in the Alvah colorway. Murdered out. The upper on these is phenomenal. I love that they just went Murder and Murder Inc., Holla, Ja Rule, Irv Gotti. Murdered out. This whole triple black is... It's essentially a triple black upper. It has this gray pattern throughout the knit that were found on the Azale colorway. I have them on right now. They have been getting the miles put on them before this whole COVID-19 pandemic. They were the last pair of sneakers that I purchased in 2019. If you're not new to the channel, it took like 15 days into 2020 for me to buy a pair of sneakers. So these Azales were definitely getting some miles put on them. They were definitely, heavy in my sneaker rotation, even for the beginning part of this year and definitely the end of last year. I'm hoping to do the same with the Alvah. The 700 V3, I feel like, is a very comfortable sneaker. Just some specs to go over. As mentioned in my previous review of my Azale, if I haven't mentioned my Azale enough, if you haven't seen my Azale video, I will have it linked at the end screen of this video. If you're too impatient to wait till that point, go over to my Yeezy playlist and give your boy a view. But the one thing I will complain about the sneaker, and I've done it a lot, and I've caught a lot of heat for it on this channel, I'm kind of over an all-black sneaker. Not to the point where I feel like this is a sneaker you want to go do some criminal activity in, sans the all-black Air Force One. But I wear a lot of blue denim, especially a lot of light blue denim, and I feel like pulling off an all-black sneaker with blue denim is mission impossible for me. And I catch so much heat in comments when I make that comment. So what I'm gonna do with this on foot is I'm gonna try to throw on some denim. I have black Adidas pants on right now, but we're gonna throw some light denim on and see if, maybe I'm crazy. Maybe after I see it on camera, see it on film, that I'll change my thought process. But I just feel like an all-black sneaker and blue denim just do not go hand in hand. But to go over the aesthetics of the sneaker, one, sizing, go up a half size. The toe box on these is very, very narrow, and if you have a wide foot such as myself, it can become an unpleasant experience. I knew that going into this, so I went up to a 9 from my traditional 8.5. Other than that, it's not really anything revolutionary, nothing earth-shattering. We have that cage that will glow in the dark, become a psychedelic neon green, which is very, very dope. I haven't seen it in person with the black pair. I obviously have done it myself with my Azale, so I'm going to be doing it with my Alvahs as soon as, time presents itself. I'll try to get it into this video, maybe not. I'm actually waiting for more sneakers to come in today. I have a pair of Nikes that I'm hopefully going to do the video for tomorrow if they arrive on time. I have a ton of other sneaker things, cut and sew samples that were supposed to arrive yesterday, and then the tracking suddenly doesn't have an arrival date. So I'm hoping that they come sometime today. if not hopefully Monday. But like I said, this COVID-19, selfishly, if we just, bring it to how it affects my day to day, and this is, partially in jest and partially for comedic relief, but it's killing me with sneaker purchasing. I'm so used to this instant gratification where I walk into a sneaker store and I purchase a pair of sneakers. Like, I would have loved to get these Monday or Tuesday, whenever they released, but instead I had to wait till Wednesday, do the raffle, win the raffle, and then get them shipped to me very, very fast. Like I said, Wednesday is when I got the secured link that I won, and then I was able to make the purchase, and then they shipped on Friday, label created Thursday, shipped on Friday, arrived to me on Saturday. So I can't complain about the shipping process as far as it went. Granted, Lapstone Hammer, phenomenal customer service, and they bang out their shipping fast. Also local, so they got shipped from Philly to Philly. So that being said, these I can't really complain about the shipping process, but the Nikes I ordered last Friday maybe, and they're still not here. They're expected to arrive by UPS today, so hopefully that does happen, and hopefully I get the review up for you guys tomorrow. But to just go over the upper, triple black insole with the Yeezy and Adidas branding, no boost. Boost boys definitely going to be disappointed. I myself do not subscribe to that thought process. I rock tons of Adidas that lack boost, and I find them very, very comfortable. The Yeezy 500 is easy, one of my favorite Yeezy models, and I rock them all the time. The Yeezy 500 is definitely a super dope, super comfortable sneaker with that Adidas print cushioning, but not really too much to say about these. I'm super stoked that I got them. I can't wait to go bang out this on foot for you guys. Hopefully, I'll be back tomorrow with a super, super dope pair of Nikes that I ordered that hopefully arrive today if the sneaker gods allow it. But we're going to bang out this on foot. Everybody stay safe, stay calm, and stay home. I will be back tomorrow with another video, God willing. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.